Alright guys, we're here getting pastries. Miss, so you got the So, following Tria.
For my birthday, I want this.
What? What the heck? Oops. What is that?
What the one?
She wants this. It's so cool. Oh, yeah, a whole section of you're a Harry Potter fan? Isn't that so creepy? No, you know you can download an app on your phone and do watch parties? Yeah.
So we're at Starbucks. Tria. What drinks did you get?
I got my Starbucks double shot on ice. We have the pistachio latte and a caramel macchiato. Thank you. This is my first order.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Yer,
And I'm Tria.
and we're going to be doing some taste tests from a pastry near us here in the Twin Cities, and also some drinks.
Yep. So we are going to do some tests of coffees, different coffee brands. We have the Dunkin, the Charlie Cold Brew, and then this has to be the matcha, right?
Yeah, from
Yeah.
Caribou.
From Caribou. And then this is caramel macchiato.
And this is the pistachio latte, the berry white mocha from Caribou, and this is the matcha latte from Dunkin Donuts. And from Starbucks, we have here the white chocolate raspberry cheesecake.
And then this is the Oreos cheesecake. I don't think we got a name.
Yeah, I don't
Of
think
these,
this one has
yeah,
names.
of those. But these are from Marc Heu's Pastry, located in St. Paul on University.
Yeah.
So definitely check them out. They do switch it up every day or every other day. So it's just really unique.
And this is my first time trying Marc Heu.
Me too.
Yeah, so. Alright, here we go.
So which one do you want to go first?
I think I want to try this raspberry cheesecake.
I wonder if we should mix it. Is it watered down? Or start from down?
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
So you're gonna try the Dunkin Donuts.
It's too watered down.
I really love this one. Oh, do you want to start it?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try the matcha latte.
I think all like the stuff are in the bottom.
You can smell it. Too.
The matcha?
It's hella strong.
It's strong.
Yeah.
Let's try that again. It looks better now.
It's not too sweet. It's not bad. But it's not something I would always get all the time.
I wouldn't get this. So I feel like we probably left it for too long, but you can't really taste anything. Like you have the coffee taste. That's about it.
Yeah.
And I do drink a lot of coffee.
Yeah, I don't drink a lot of coffee. Once in a while, I'll go like through a phase of drinking a lot of coffee, and then I'll stop.
Coffee is my breakfast. So.
Not for me.
Right.
Yeah, it's very watered down. I think maybe we left it too long in the car while we were at Target. Do you normally like matcha?
I'm not a huge fan. We have matcha. Let's see. That's thick.
Mm-hmm. Would you like it thick?
Oh, because we have it with almond milk.
Mm-hmm. But
It's very flavorful though.
I don't know.
Like, it's not powdery. You know? Because you know they use the powder matcha.
Yeah,
because
it's like it
that's how
doesn't have that
comes.
graininess,
Mhm.
but it is something I'll get again.
She's too thick.
Okay, I want to try this one. This is a pistachio latte.
I want to try that one because it's new too.
Yeah, it's new, so
This is your matcha one. Oh,
yeah, from Caribou. See if it tastes the same.
She
So we
not
purposely
big.
got matcha from different ones and see if they taste the same
Yeah.
or different.
But she's okay. Consistency wise, she's not thick.
Oh yeah, it's a lot lighter in
Yeah.
color too.
You have to see that.
Oh, I'm surprised it's not like. Do you like it?
No,
Why? Is it?
it's too sweet.
Is it? Which one do you prefer?
Okay, if that wasn't so thick, maybe that one would be better.
But then usually they would ask if you want it in whole milk, skim
See,
milk, or
I like it over ice. Over ice tastes so much better.
really?
I mean, I drink everything with ice.
No.
No matter if it's fucking snowstorm, it's ice.
This one's not bad. The pistachio one? Yeah.
Too sweet. I'm over. I like my coffee bitter.
Not me. I like it a little sweet, but this one's actually not bad.
I feel like the ending taste is kind of watered down, but then the first
Really? I feel like it has that very milky, creamy, fatty texture.
Mhm.
Yeah.
It's thick. It's like not so thick. It has
Yeah.
a good consistency of it. Caramel macchiato.
Why does it come out like that?
Yeah, I know. That's why I said like, oh shit. Okay. When I first started drinking real coffee, I started with caramel macchiato
What does real coffee even mean?
because it's espresso. Like it's a kind of energized drink. You know, like it's espresso. So espresso has more caffeine than coffee.
I think mine was a caramel high rise. Huh.
Yeah, mine's the opposite. Mine's
Like during the summer, I'll do it like blended. But then like during cold seasons, I'd rather drink it hot instead.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know. When I drink it hot, it makes me sleepy. Ooh, they put a lot of milk in this one.
This one, it's sweet, but you can taste the milk in it a lot.
Yeah.
Versus this, I think I prefer the Dunkin' versus that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They put too much milk in it.
Which one is that?
Caramel macchiato.
See, like, that's why I'd rather go to the regular Starbucks instead of inside of a store.
Yeah.
Yeah. For some reason, the baristas, they make it differently.
They do. And I use weird food stuff. So.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm just, a
See?
barista at home. I'm gonna be a bartender.
I think that's where it comes from. It's a difference, because
It tastes like nothing.
it's too much milk.
Yeah.
It's like
There's no caramel. You cannot taste the caramel at all.
it's like chocolate milk.
This is some fake coffee. Yeah. So we got this inside Barnes and Noble. Starbucks inside Barnes and Noble.
Yeah.
And if you don't know what Barnes and Noble is, it's just a bookstore.
Watch the preview or the video before this. You'll see my
Yeah.
reaction to my books.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm kind of disappointed, but let's see if this one will disappoint.
This is the one that you're like, I really want to try that. Oh yeah, the berry one.
Yeah.
Start it first. Okay, so lately I've been really into the white chocolate versus the chocolate.
This reminds me of, you know, when you have a piece of chocolate that has raspberry in there, kind of deal, or like those fake cherries fillings. You know what I'm talking about? It tastes like that.
What's fake cherries?
The red ones like these.
Try it out. That's a
That's
big
a
cherry.
It's
That's
a fake cherry?
It's all
fake.
yeah.
Really?
But it's edible though. It's like the edible cherries, but
So why is it?
It's fake.
we call it fake cherry because it's not the legit cherries.
It's artificial.
Why would they do that?
Because cherries are hard to come by. They're expensive.
And they have a
My
seed.
ass is hard to come by.
Like cherries, you have to come by the season.
And the things I don't like, you like some.
I don't like that after.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
It
talking
feels
about?
like kind of powdery-ish too.
Like-
and- like I can't. Okay, the scent is really like strong too. Like
Yeah.
it's like a punch to your face. Like wow, it's like this. You know.
Okay, because you know this is raspberry too, and this cheesecake is raspberry.
Mhm.
Like you can tell the difference in the taste.
Artificial.
Oh, like
I
that.
ain't bought that fake.
We'll try that again later.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not stirring anything anymore. I can.
Oh, and too much milk. Or whatever they put in there.
Yeah.
So I don't
Oh, this one's good.
the Oreos.
I don't want to get up.
Yeah, me neither.
We're leaving these for last because they're so darn pretty.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah. That's actually not too sweet, no. Yeah, I like that. This isn't bad either. It's not very sweet. It has a good texture.
Okay.
Mm,
I don't think we'll be touching that one.
it's very smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's creamy. Like, it's not thick. It's just good. That's the word of the day.
They're so pretty. Yeah. That one is, I think that's what, that one is covered with sugar.
Yeah, no.
Do you want to cut it or should we just?
We could just dig in. I don't think.
That's hard.
Probably put it on a plate.
Should we put it on a plate?
Yeah. So you can get a plate. Because I don't want it to slide off.
Yeah.
I've never had
Baked cherries before. Like I've never ate any.
it's I don't like it. It tastes really good. Let's try that again.
Is this thing edible too, or is it a real paper? Try it.
I was about to. Oh, it's paper. It's like cardboard-ish.
Okay, try it.
No, I don't want to try it.
What if it's edible?
You could try it. No, it's paper. Look.
Okay, cut it.
You will make me look as a stupid one. Because I would do it too.
I know.
Oh, you actually had to. Oh.
Ooh. It's like custard, like these little balls. There's there's like custard fillings in there.
No, you can't. We don't even need to cut it. Like,
Just
It-
separate it.
yeah. See?
That's a big ball. Why do you guys laugh when I say that?
Coconut.
The filling or the whip?
The whip.
Let's see.
It's like glazed coconut.
I don't think it's coconut.
It tastes like it.
I can't even taste anything, but it's very, very thin. It's so the base of it that they have it on is kind of like a croissant. It's like a hard croissant,
Yeah.
cracker type.
Mm-hmm.
Let's eat this.
This reminds me of those ice cream.
What ice cream?
Stop. But you know, at Sam's Club, how they have those ice cream that had like red ice cream pastry ones.
When you put the whole thing in your mouth, it just bursts in there.
Are you okay?
Okay. But it's really good. Like, it has a right texture.
That crunch.
Mhm. The crunch, and then the filling, the custard filling,
Mm-hmm.
as like it evens it out, like it balances the texture out,
It's
where
not
it's not
over.
too sweet.
Mm.
Yeah,
No.
even though there's like the caramelized sugar on top, that was really sweet, and then when you eat into it,
The
custard
balance.
yeah, it makes it so much more not as sweet.
I like the whip. It's not overly sweet, you know?
The whip is okay. On a scale of 1 to 5, I would say a 4.
I said 3 because I think this part on the bottom kills it for me.
Yeah, like one part of this section on here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like it's it's burnt and like you can taste it.
Maybe it was just our luck. But
Yeah.
overall, I mean, I think the custard and the ball, the glazed ball, whatever, was good.
Yeah.
But I think it's just that the bottom.
You guys, this is so pretty.
Look at the
Like,
top.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but it is so pretty. It has a little flower there. I don't know if it's edible,
I'm pretty sure it is.
but there's a raspberry on top,
Mhm.
and she's gonna try this out.
Oh, there's something in the middle.
Oh, it's jiggly.
Why is it always so crusty?
Like hard in the bottom.
Like it feels, yeah. Oh.
Oh.
It's like a cheesecake.
Wow. Oh, I think the bottom part, there's raspberry. If you look at it, there's raspberry.
Oh yeah, it's like a tart.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that, but
Ooh.
that's gonna be our ooh.
You see that?
Yeah.
It does. Ooh, and when you put your fork in, it goes. Right?
Yeah.
It's sour. I think it's like a lemon, key lime, lemon. It tastes kind of like that. What a surprise though.
Yeah. I didn't expect that.
I expected something sweet. Yeah. Well, that is pack a punch.
It's not bad. I think the crust balances it.
Yeah. There I go with
Yeah. It's not bad. I would say this is a 3 for me.
Mhm.
Yeah. The custard is, let me see. It's not thick.
It's
It's very thin consistency.
Mhm.
Like almost as thin as the whip this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So adorable, you guys. Like it's like a tiny little cake.
It's like a campfire kind of looking.
Mm-hmm.
So cute.
All the little details on here. You tried the leaf.
No, I already tried the flour. But you gotta eat the cherry.
I don't think this thing is edible. It ain't edible. It's just a job. Why do you guys gotta do that to me?
You did it to me.
So I never knew there's such thing as artificial cherries.
Mm-hmm.
Like how do they make them?
Don't eat this one.
Don't eat this one.
Just eat the cherry.
It tastes like that.
That's why I said it's not good. We're not rating the cherry.
Yeah.
She just haven't tried one, so we're making her try it.
It's so weird.
You do the honor book, since that's the one that you were excited about.
Oh, it kind of reminds me of like s'mores.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Oh,
Mousse?
you can't even cut it. Yeah, it's very moussey.
Chocolate mousse.
Oh wow. It's like a light green. Do you want this or no?
Just put it there.
It looks like that.
But it's, I think I love it how they.
Oh.
It has their surprise.
Yeah, it's like a raspberry cherry type of filling inside. Here, where do I put this thing?
Curl my napkin.
I'm gonna show them.
I'm curling my napkins, the dirty napkin. Okay. So there you go.
If you guys can see in the middle right there, there's like a surprise filling. I'm assuming it's cherry because they had a cherry on top.
Or it could be raspberry.
Or it could be raspberry so far.
We're kind of getting.
Oh my god, today so far we've been getting raspberries. Is it cherry?
I don't know. Mine doesn't have it. Dark chocolate. Definitely.
Very thick. Like a cake, you know?
Mhm.
But it's actually not.
But I don't know. Give it a 4.
Yeah, I think a 4.5.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's actually very thin. It's not
Fluffy.
Yeah, it's very fluffy
Airy.
because it's very moussey. Like there's whip, there's mousse,
Mhm.
and then the dark chocolate balances out where it's not just like what's the word?
It balances, and it's not plain. Like it has like the dark chocolate is strong, but
Yeah.
it's a good kind, you know. I don't know how to explain it. You have to try it though.
Yeah.
And does have cherry. And I personally don't like mixing chocolate and fruits. I think this one,
It's actually not bad. Yeah.
I'm surprised. That's all.
It's not overpowering, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's why I was like, what? You know,
Yeah.
when I had the cherry taste, that's why I was like, wow.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah. It's not okay. Let's compare this to the drink. It's not like that.
Yeah.
You know, it's a different kind of flavor, like perfect combination.
Yeah.
So
It
good
balances.
job.
Chocolate bar. It looks kind of like those the nutty bars.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you guys ever had the nutty bars.
Even like the design.
Mhm.
Sorry, I don't want it false.
And then it has like tiny gold flake on there.
Yeah.
I hope it's hazelnut instead.
Well, it could be because you can see some nuts.
How many nuts you see?
Oh no, well we gotta take this off. It's not edible. Okay.
Okay.
Those
Oh.
layers though.
Yeah. I feel like it's gonna be spongy.
It feels like it.
Yeah, I can see it. Oh, it just
Breaks up.
yeah.
Beautiful
Right.
layers though.
Mm. It's like toffee.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It is topping.
it's toffee, like a toffee flavor.
But like right when before I put it in my mouth, like you could get a whiff of it, you know? You know what I mean? Like
The whiff of it.
because you know, like when you put it in, like you have your taste buds on your tongue.
Mm-hmm.
Certain part goes like, you know, that's what happened. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
Like it's strong, but it's good.
yeah, it's very strong.
Like if you are tired, this is what you need instead of coffee kind of deal.
Yeah, like the chocolate out here, it's very thick, and then when you actually eat into it, it's very soft, and I guess like the cake part is very spongy. It's very moist, very spongy.
And it's just nuts.
Yeah,
Wow.
it literally. What would you rate this one?
It's like 4.5 too.
Yeah,
Packs like holy shit. Like,
yeah. I think these two are my favorite,
you same here.
and then this, and then this. Yeah.
I think we just expected so different for
Yeah.
this one.
Completely opposite.
Yeah. Like we thought it would be like custardy sweet. Well, once you
Like
try
I
it.
thought that was gonna be like a raspberry coconut,
Mhm.
but it's more lemon raspberry.
Mhm.
This one I don't know if we just got a bad one or not, but
Mhm.
it is kind of taste burnt a little bit. On that bottom part.
But overall, like the custard and the outside breading with the glazed sugar or caramel, that was good.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
Presentation was spectacular.
Yeah.
Like I love the presentation. To me, I feel like presentation is everything.
Mhm.
If it's not there, I would second guess myself to see
Yeah.
if I want to buy it or not. Yeah.
Even when we went there, their croissant was presented so beautifully, and it's like a little showcase. You know?
Mhm.
It was beautiful.
Yeah, but I'm not really into croissants, so we didn't get any. And they're huge.
Oh,
they
yeah.
were like bigger than my hand.
Yep, way big.
Yeah.
And I don't think we'll be able to finish it.
Yeah.
Since we have so many things going on. But yeah, overall, it's
Yeah.
pretty good.
It was a good experience.
Yeah, it was
Um,
worth it.
The cheesecake, they're from Starbucks, but it says it's from like Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I love cheesecake.
No, I don't like Cheesecake Factory. I'm not a big fan of it.
I think it just depends on your experience.
Yeah.
For good or all.
Ours the artificial cherry.
She took it out. She's like, why does it taste like
It
that?
tastes funny. Yeah, and this thing's not even edible. It's just a gel. Like,
And that was legit a flower.
yeah, she ate it.
You ate a flower.
I just nibble on it. But you know, sometimes those edible ones, you know,
Yeah.
that looks legitimately like a flower.
Yeah. The cheesecake, I like the cheesecake.
I think it's good.
Yeah, it was actually not too sweet and not too thick in texture at all.
It's not overpowering.
Mhm. This experience for this, it was just a no-go to me.
Yeah, I'd rather drink my coffee than my big ass coffee. You know yours.
Try this one.
This is the pistachio one?
No, that's the matcha.
She thick,
This is-
right?
This is matcha too, but that's from Caribou.
That's a little bit watered down and but sweet.
Yeah, this is the pistachio.
This
I actually,
one has, like,
okay,
a little,
I take that back. I actually like the pistachio out of all the drinks.
True.
sounds
yeah.
horrible.
No, it's actually, it sounds horrible, but it's
What is
actually
this?
pistachio.
Ugh. It's bitter.
Sure, try that. Yeah. That's
Okay, you
good.
try this one. Alright, let me
It's
open it.
super water.
It's super.
Super watered. You say that?
It's super watered down.
Yeah.
I just shorten it.
Do you want to taste it?
She left you a ball.
Yeah, I left you one ball.
What is this?
That's the one I said.
Oh, the berry
mocha.
latte.
Berry mocha?
Berry.
Like a
Like a
berry.
berry.
Here,
Here, I left,
that burnt at the end. Like they burnt the mocha.
I left you one ball.
Yeah, that's
Is that
berry.
the ball that explodes in your mouth?
It bursts in your mouth. Here. Doesn't it burst in your mouth like?
Okay. Look at baby.
Do you like it?
Look at baby
I
like,
know his
wow, what about me?
He loves food. Come on, you fucking new draw,
Look at he's trying not to draw.
huh? Like, hello, mommy.
Look at his arm.
I know. Do you like it?
I like it, but I wouldn't take more than one bite of it though. That's for sure.
Yeah, it has
It's
like
very sweet. It has that very fluffy, almost like whipped cream.
It is whipped.
Yeah.
Oh, it is whipped cream?
and with
No,
like
it's not
a
whipped cream.
custard.
It's just whipped.
Yeah.
Try this one.
That one's got a pack of punch. We'll give him this one later. Don't give him that one.
So yummy.
It's best to give him this one instead. It's more mousse.
Very dark chocolate. Which,
Wow.
if you're a big fan of dark chocolate, you'll like it.
What else? Is it?
That's all I could taste. The chocolate's so overwhelming.
It's actually
There's
just coffee.
coffee in there.
Oh, there.
Yeah,
I didn't even taste the coffee.
It's milk
Really?
chocolate with the toffee.
Yeah.
Toffee?
Yeah, toffee.
I just taste dark chocolate. That's all that came to mind.
Okay, try this one.
I guess that's
Oh,
the
make sure
flavor
you
you
give
get
him
once
like
you mix it.
The
There's a-
middle piece.
yeah.
Yeah.
Đắt tiền không? Đỏ tà lên.
Is that marshmallow on
try
top?
Yeah. Marshmallow?
No, I think
No, it's just whipped.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, it's not.
It is whipped.
Guys.
Yeah, those are
Is
all
it?
whipped. Yeah.
I think it was
Or
like
with
mousse.
or no, some of them are whipped and some of them are mousse. Like the
That's
tiny-
alright. I don't know what it is, but
It's dark chocolate.
is it?
Yeah,
It
there's
tastes
dark chocolate on the outside
Yeah.
It
and
don't
then
taste
chocolate
dark.
mousse on the inside, and then I think it's cherry for the
Yeah,
filling.
it's cherry.
Cherry?
Yeah.
They don't go together.
Yeah,
See?
it's really
It's kind of
weird.
like it's exactly like a candy that chocolate.
Yeah, with a
with the
big cherry filling.
yeah,
Yeah.
It's like you take one bite of it, you're
You know when it's Valentine's and you get the box of chocolate and you kind of eat through
I
them?
don't. I don't know. I
Yeah.
look at the
you take
box.
well, it's
I
like
look
it's
at
like
the
a
box
really
because-
bad one. There are good ones, and then that one is like a bad one.
But like on the box, there's like the front cover. It tells you what is what.
I know,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
there's no fun in that. You just, if you're reading everything, just buy a surprise to eat it. The
Oh,
ones I don't like, give it to my kids.
But then there's like different brands of it, and that one right there is just not that good.
Yeah. Oh, here. I
That
forgot
one.
about this one.
Holy shit. Like,
You gotta try this one.
me and you, we were like way off.
Yeah. Oh, 40 grams. Oh.
Oh, really? There's no.
What is this?
Just
Taste
try it. It's like, what in the world? He looks confused.
It tastes like the candy. It
Candy.
tastes like
talking about
the
lemon?
brown candy that comes in the clear wrappers, the little sugar balls. I forgot what they're called. It
But
tastes
then
like
maca.
What the fuck?
No.
the sweet one. It's like I got
My baby's compliment.
yeah. It's just very watered down. I don't know. There's no I'm talking about the brown candy that
Oh,
the brown candy
wow,
that are
ouch,
like
hurt.
He flipped the Tria off.
No, he's being a Spider-Man.
that are like cup fruits and stuff.
Oh, like at the little area where
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
mix
yeah,
it?
yeah.
I don't
The,
like those candy. That sounds like nasty stuff.
yeah, yeah. It's like a bootleg candy, like cheap
Yeah.
candy, like farm candy.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
like the wrapper's like that wax wrapper.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
It tastes
Okay.
like that, right?
Really? Oh, I gotta try again. Hold
We
on.
have to.
Mm-mm.
It tastes like that.
I just think it tastes like key lime pie, which I don't like key lime. Girl,
You guys trying to get the same piece.
just take it on my fork.
I still taste the lemon. Yeah.
I don't know. I had a lot of the glazed top. That's probably
We
why.
didn't. We just went digging in deep. But I really like the crust. It helps.
It's sour.
All right. So thank you for tuning in to our video. You know, it was kind of disappointing, but at the same time,
It was a good experience.
yeah, it was a really good experience. But definitely, you know, we will say go ahead and definitely swing by Marc Heu because they do have different pastry. It might just be us who's
Got the
not match, but you know, it doesn't hurt to give it another shot. But we'll
Mhm.
definitely probably try again.
yeah,
different.
next time.
Mm-hmm.
And the drinks are no go for me, so yeah, definitely will not get those again.
Yeah.
It
It might be on our side too.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So we're gonna end it here. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys have any other recommendations for places or like things for us to talk about, let us know in the comments below. Please like and share, and also hit that notification bell. So,
All right.
bye
Have a
guys.
good one. Bye.